Good morning, students. Hope that all of you are fine. I, Shahinur Begum, lecturer of Management Department in Milestone College, welcome you all today's online class. Today, I will discuss about MCQ. MCQ is very important topics. If you read the textbook properly, you can give the answer properly. And one thing you should remember, when I start my class, you have to take your book, pen, pencil and copy. MCQ question, All Board 2019. First question, by which year act does partnership business regulated? 1932. The first questions I have given the answer, but rest of the topics I will not give the answer. You have to complete this. Second question, which one is excluded in trademark? This question came from chapter 5. You know, in chapter 5, so many information about trademark, patent, copyright. Number 3, what type of utility does transportation create? This question came from chapter 9, marketing. For how many years trademark registration has given? Number 5, which business activity was started at first in the world? This question came from chapter 4, business based on ownership. So students, you should remember that if you read the main book properly, you can give the answer properly. Now number 6, ethics is related to human being in what? Daily affairs or daily activity. So this statement came from chapter 11, ethics and values chapter. You know, this is also very important chapter for you. If you read the topics properly, you can give the answer properly. Number 7, which agro-based product are sold to the consumer directly? It came from marketing chapter. Number 8, which one is the largest capital for self-employment of the employee? This question came from chapter 3, self-employment chapter. Which one is supportive assistance? This question came from chapter 10. Assistants are divided into how many types? You know that. Supportive assistance, motivative assistance and preserving assistance. So, which one is supportive assistance? You can give the answer. Number 10. What is the number of maximum manpower in the cottage industry? This question came from chapter 7, industry chapter. And you know, maximum manpower in cottage industry is 10. 11. How does a successful entrepreneur take decision? This question came from chapter 2. Chapter 12, question number 12. What is the smallest unit of capital of a company? Answer is share. I have discussed about during the class time. What is share? Number 13. How many parties are there in insurance? This question came from chapter 5. Number 14. BSTI is an organization of which ministry? Ministry of Industry. If you read the BSTI from your book, that time easily you can give the answer. Number 15. Which one is included in preserving assistance? So students, this question came from chapter 10. Now you can understand which chapter is very important for the MCQ. However, my suggestion is you have to read all the chapter from your book as you are a student of class 10. If you read the whole chapter, you can give the whole answer. Thank you.